Gonna lose it. If it's low, that's the time you're gonna lose it, because when you're far away and low, it doesn't work. I'm gonna do, this is gonna be an endurance flight. See how long I can go. Okay, so I mean we can fly formation, but I'm gonna be really slow. I'm basically just staying in the landing pattern. That's fine. I'll stay clear of you. So I'll see what. 6S30C 4000. Let's see how long I can fly.
So you don't think it was us that caused it?
No, he said, I asked him, he said it was, he was flying low and he lost control, it went into a loop and came straight back down.
Ready?
Let me reset my timer.
Timer cleared.
Let's go.
Go. I'm not going to go full power.
Gear up.
This is going to be laid back. Try to stay around half throttle the whole, or below half throttle the whole flight, but stay in the pattern. When you're gonna do passes, let me know.
Alright, make it around once. How do you think you can get out of it?
I've done 10 minutes so far on one of these, but I was flying crazy. You know, still doing full throttle.
Alright, I'm gonna do a burn fast.
Go ahead, I'm clear.
These 40Cs do not have much juice for this plane, to be honest.
It's still pretty good. That thing's moving.
We're just trying to kill the battery, just so I don't have to take it out of charge.
Gear down.
Doing a touch and go.
2 minutes.
We'll do a low and slow.
Gear up.
I'm clear. So I'm gonna stay right around half throttle and fly like a nut.
You'll probably get 15 minutes out of that.
I'm gonna try to see how long. I've done 10 minutes so far.
You got 10 minutes out of flying like a nut.
No, 10 minutes out of just flying around doing touch and goes.
Gear down.
No, I can't do 10 minutes flying like an idiot.
That's very impressive.
No, there's no way. I'd have to have like
Very efficient.
I'd have to have like a 10,000 pack.
Probably get more. You probably wouldn't get much battery out of 10,000 back because you have to fly full throttle to keep it in the air. I want to see. I'm excited to see Frank's giant F-18 twin.
Gear up.
Let's go.
Yeah, I think he's gonna
Time
use
remaining
two
1
120s.
minute.
He's not gonna fly it here though, is he?
I think he will. I don't see why he wouldn't. You could fly it here.
You don't made it at cruise.
Probably made it at Crows. If you put brakes on it, you could fly it here.
I guess the thing is he will because he's gonna buy all the turbine stuff, right?
Yeah.
If it's a turbine kit, the gear probably comes with brakes.
Still, yeah, it should. So I'm below half throttle now.
Don't you have to have wheel brakes on turbines?
You do. So it's
So I guess it is
a requirement.
gear that the
So,
Skymaster recommends.
I'm below half throttle right now. The plane's still climbing, so I'm just gonna circle around, climb a little bit. Yeah, so we'll see. I mean, I'm looking forward to see it. I wanna seeing a plane that size,
Is that
electric.
7,
That's 3.
6, 5, 4.
3 minutes of throttle run, throttle time.
Time expired.
Go ahead.
Gear down.
I'm doing a touch and go ahead of you because you're right there. You're clear.
Gear up.
Oh! did full flaps, landed, put the flaps up and did a wheelie down.
I saw the wheelie the whole way. I don't know if I got it on camera, but I did see it.
The flaps up right before I touched down. I am clear.
Okay,
Gear down.
do a touch and go. Go quick.
Gear up. Over.
So as of now, that's 5 minutes motor run time. Half throttle right now. Pulling throttle back.
Down.
I'm gonna do a touch and go. So I got plenty of power.
Gear up.
Get some speed. Go back into altitude. A little above half, so let's pull it down to half.
Minutes over.
So as of now, that's 6 minutes. Still climbing, I'm right at half throttle. Alright, let's do a touch and go. So we're gonna gear down, kill the throttle, just dive down.
Gear up. Minutes over.
So as of now, that's 7 minutes.
Gear down.
Touch and go. It's off, just glide right. No flaps. No motor. Ooh, good rotor.
Gear up.
Ground effect, pick up some speeds. There we go.
Timer over. 4 minutes, 51 seconds.
Almost 8 minutes. Till I notice it's...
5.
Yeah, come on, I don't care. This is just an endurance flight for me. I don't care who else flies. Still plenty of power. Alright, so
Gear down.
motor off, now the touch and go. It's not just going to be a float around and glide. I'm going to do a little bit of everything.
Gear up.
Again, this is a 6S 30C 4000.
Over.
It's 9 minutes. And gear down, we're diving. Down for a fast touch and go.
Gear up.
Half throttle.
Over.
7 minutes over. Wow. 7 times 3, we are at 10 minutes. So that's way up there. So let's get the gear down, chop the throttle, dive right towards the runway, do another touch and go.
Gear up.
Ray, what are you at?
Just hit 10 minutes.
For 20?
I want to shoot as long as it'll go.
Are you just gonna wait till it shuts off?
No, I'll know. I'll know when the battery's tired.
Do you have telemetry?
Nope. I can just tell when the battery's tired.
Max, look, I still have your models here. You can go Mirage, F14. Alright, go, Ken, come on, go.
The battery's fine so far. It's just.
Go out to dinner with them. Yeah.
8 minutes. Over.
That's 11 minutes. That's longer than I've ever flown so far.
You've never
With this plane. With this plane.
How's it feel?
Fine. Still plenty of power.
I flew for, I believe, 14. Was my current EDF record. 14 minutes with the Havoc on a 5000.
It's really funny. Something I've noticed, like on my Spectrum radio, it's just like it takes a
Let's
while
go, Keanu.
sometimes.
All right, I'm coming to do a touch and go, guys.
All right, we'll wait.
You can come up now. I don't care if you come up now.
No, we'll just wait for your touch.
Okay. I'm coming in.
Is it done?
It's done.
We're going, Cal, let's go, go.
No, wait.
Yeah, it's done. I'm coming in right now.
Was that it?
Yep.
Oh! Hey.
It's okay. It's okay. It's all it had. I flew it out. That's it. Hey, you got to do something dumb sometimes.
That was all it had?
That's all it had. It's all right. It's all right. Battery is done. So that was.
Timer over. 8 minutes. 14.
Hey, you got to do something goofy sometimes. Yeah, let's see. What did I do? Oh, that's fine. Easy fix. It'll go back together. No problem. We're good. Just knocked it out. It's all easy fix. Haven't flown, had this plane for a long time. All good. No worries. Yeah, it's all right.